morning, everyone. I don't see kitties by the back door. Hopefully they'll come a running. Marty and Stripe haven't been outside long. Marty! Stripey! Morris! You know, it's like I've never come out and nobody's been here. I hear running. And that's not Marty running that fast. That's Morris. Hi, buddy. Hi. Good morning. Come here. Can you come on up? Or you want your food out on the bricks? Watch. Here, probably just come put it on the bricks for you. We've not been wanting to eat up top this week. It's okay. Marty! Here you go. Hi. Hi. Good morning, Morris. Hi. Stripes on my legs. Comes Marty. Hi, bud. Hi. I know you ate a little bit in the house before you came out, but there's food if you want it. I liked it better when you were beside me in the Cybertruck and we were on the road.
Thank you, sweetheart.
I'm sorry you're back here this morning.
Yeah.
Hopefully they'll take it. The re-entry will be not too rough.
Right. I'm hoping it'll
ease in.
Well, not just be deluge. And so far it's been okay.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So I pretty much have more to do today than I can get done. I want to cut over to red, white, and blue inside. Decorate for 4th of July, America's 250th. Some of the summer stuff will be put away to make room for 4th of July stuff, and some of it will be left because it's okay to do that. I do have to go across the bridge and water out there this morning. There's a chance. Hi, Stripey. Hi, Stripey. There's a chance we're going to have rain tonight. But I can't count on that, so I'm watering. Right now I'm watering below me to the left, and I'll come out in 15 minutes and switch it to the right. I like these ones that'll do the job for me without me having to stand out here. But I gotta get up in the attic pretty quick and do what I want to do because it's going to be sweltering in the attic today. Which is why for the last few years I've somewhat less decorated for 4th of July. Because just even walking up there to bring things down when it's 120 degrees up there is not fun. It's 6:30 p.m. and I'm stopping for the day on decorating, and I've got most of it done. That's weird. A's telling me that she has videos for me of wildlife in and around my area, and it showed my suet feeder. So, I'm sorry I haven't filmed anything exciting today. Everybody needs a down day every once in a while, although it was a down day from filming, but not a down day from doing. So, I swapped out my little tea light lanterns here, changed out the fabric on the table. All the stuff I've been 3D printing for the last month or so is out now. So, like I had done Statue of Liberty and Uncle Sam. They're pretty cool. They're in Lego minifigure style. And then I only have this Lego. I need to do 2 more fireworks at least for the back of the little Ferris wheel ride. Which I did in colors for 4th of July and not the colors that it came in. I have the gift with purchase one, but I didn't put it together. Let's see, what else? This stuff, I gotta find a place. I gotta find a box or a storage bin and tidy. This is like Valentine's Day next year. Not in use now. And spring of next year. So I'll have to... I'm tired. It's not happening right now. But I gotta put those away. Half of them go in the house attic and the other half go in the Don worked attic. A long day today. I've swapped out his blanket. He's got red, white, and blue too. This pillow I had picked up at Guardian Angel. I've got cool fireworks stuff, 4th of July up there on that shelf. Sorry, and over here on this shelf. And the tree is all decorated with red, white, and blue. Mostly I added on versus pulling anything off. The few butterflies on the rim I took down. But you can see And I ordered a tablecloth so I can swap this piece of fabric out, but I can't do it today. I don't have another piece of 4th of July fabric. I put up my wreath, put on my pillowcase cover, got out a couple of red, white, and blue teddy bears, firecracker door corners. There's another teddy bear in here. We always switch out the teddy bear that's in the little pink banana. And so I have the Build-A-Bear from 10 or 15 years ago, you know, red, white, and blue dog. I think there's more fireworks up here. And there's summer. And I got out the articulated shelf buddies. There wasn't a ton to do for 4th of July, but I do love the ones I did do, though, so that's cool. And then, of course, I did the shower curtains in both bathrooms. This one's a kitty. In the other bathroom, it's gnomes. This out for a while, but I probably could use to print a few more for the season. Because out here I have dandelions, and then on the other side is sunflowers. Anyway, you get the gist. It's looking pretty patriotic over here. We're having tri-tip and shrimp tonight. Yum.
Well, I'm out here at the new P2S, and it's got a message saying that the AMS failed to send out filament. That, I think, is a symptom of a bad PTFE tube. This is the color she's using. I'm going to go on and tell it to retry and see what it does. And watch that spool. Oh. There is no filament there, so let me fix it. It's back going. The problem was somehow the filament was broke in the PTFE tube. So what happened was the broke piece of filament was too short to reach from the sensor in the AMS to the spool here. You know, I don't know how long it was, but it was a piece, because I saw it when I started messing with it. So what happened was, since the sensor was covered up, the AMS thought there was a piece of filament present. So it turned this spool, and it pulled the spool completely out and pulled the filament completely out. But because of the broken piece, the sensor was still covered. So it was doing its back and forth thing, which I'm kind of used to hearing it do. So I grabbed the filament and stuck it in there, and it, of course, pulled it down. And I kept pushing it and kept pushing it. And when it did, it pushed that filament down that tube. And I kept pushing and pushing. And it kept helping me, but I was pushing it. And it pushed it all the way to the extruder, and then it went through its normal cycle. And so the filament is actually broken in that tube. It's probably already cleared out the broken piece. I don't know, because this is still pushing, and the extruder actually pulls the filament, but this AMS seems to be pushing. So I think that amount of filament isn't that's already laid down is enough that it has used up that broken piece. So I guess we're good to go.